Hello everyone, this is Desmond from Instantech. Today I would like to introduce you our company. These are wire samples from our customers, and as you can see, these are verified documents we have. If you want to strip and twist your wire, then this EW10ST2 wire stripping and twisting machine will be a good choice for you. Compared to other models, it is affordable, small and compact. It's capable of stripping 8WG10 to 26 gauge wire. The use of electric foot switch control reduces the labor intensity of the workers, and it's light and easy to operate, greatly improves the work efficiency. Insert the wire into the cutter and pull it out to be stripped and twisted. All wires are stripped with the V-shaped blade, and it won't hurt the copper wire. And there's also no need to change the blade if the wire changes. Welcome to contact us for more details.